Hello and welcome back my YouTube channel Speak Bharat. I hope you are great and learning this language means English speaking in great way. Today I select an important topic why we are not able to speak English. What are the reasons behind not English speaking? I am going to discuss all the reasons one by one. So if you are beginner, if you are learner, don't skip this video. Watch this video till the end, friends. First, first reason and first biggest mistake. You know what? Be first thing, be know English grammar first, English rules first, English all English vocab first, then we start to speak English. हम सोचते हैं कि हम सारा इंग्लिश का रूल्स जान ले, सारा vocab जान ले, फिर हम इंग्लिश बोलेंगे. This is our biggest mistake, friends. There is no any one who is know all English grammar, English rules. Okay, so if you thinking this, we first know English grammar, we first know English vocab, then we start to speak English. This is your big mistake, friends. So don't think like that. You start whatever you know, start to speak English, friends. If you know simple English, then you start to simple English. Did you know when we were kids, we first know our mother tongue grammar? क्या हम अपनी मातृभाषा का सबसे पहले ग्रामर सीखे थे जब हम छोटे बच्चे थे? नहीं. We learn our mother tongue by repeating, copying, listening our parents, our elders, our surrounding peoples. So in the same way, friends, we can also learn English speaking by repeating, by listening, by copying the native English speaker. So there is no need to know first English grammar, then start to speak English. ओके अगर आप ऐसा सोचते हैं कि पहले हम इंग्लिश का ग्रामर जान लेंगे फिर इंग्लिश बोलेंगे तो ये आपकी सबसे बड़ी गलती है. Okay, friends. And second big mistake is, friends, lack of practice. We all want to speak English, but we have no time to speak English. We want to fluent English speaker, but we have no time for English speaking. If you if you have no time, then why you can speak English? Then how can you speak English? Time is very important, friends, and you should give the time for English speaking. Then you start to speak English. Okay, and you also know practice makes a man perfect, and as much as possible you can practice English, friends. You can stand in front of the mirror and give at least 10 minutes to yourself, friends. You can stand in front of the mirror and talk to mirror about yourself, about your daily routine, about your day life. You can talk to anything about yourself, friends. ओके सो फ्रेंड्स फर्स्ट थिंग्स जो सबसे बड़ी गलती हमारी कि हम पहले सोचते हैं इंग्लिश ग्रामर जान ले, वकैब जान ले, फिर स्टार्ट करेंगे इंग्लिश बोलना. ये पहली गलती है. दूसरी बहुत बड़ी मिस्टेक है, फ्रेंड्स, लैक ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. वी ऑल वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश बट वी हैव नो टाइम टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. ओके सो लैक ऑफ प्रैक्टिस दूसरी मिस्टेक है, फ्रेंड्स. And third one is that is also very important, friends. See, fear of making mistakes. When we are learner, friends, we think we make so many mistakes and people will make laugh. People will make fun of our English. हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि हम जब गलती करेंगे तो लोग हमारा मजाक उड़ाएंगे. There is no need to think about mistakes, friends, and there is no need to think about people. You are learning English for yourself, friends, not for people. And one thing keep in your mind, friends, learning मेकिंग मिस्टेक इज द पार्ट ऑफ लर्निंग. गलती करना क्या है, ये लर्निंग का एक पार्ट है. सो हम गलती को बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेंगे गलती का. यू कैन डू यार एनी इफ यू आर लर्नर यू कैन डू मिस्टेक्स. वी आर ऑल्सो डूइंग सो मेनी मिस्टेक्स. हम भी बहुत गलती करते हैं और कर भी रहे हैं, तो इसका ये मतलब थोड़ी हम इंग्लिश बोलना छोड़ दें. ओके फ्रेंड, सो फ्रेंड्स, if you are making mistakes, then there is no need to think about making mistakes. And also one thing, friends, don't think about people. Okay, this is also very big mistakes about English speaking, friends. We are thinking about the people and we are thinking about the mistakes. Okay, there is no need to think about mistake. Okay, mistake is the natural part of the learning. And last one is the also very important, friend, that is your lack of English environment. Mostly people are living in village area in India, friends, and there is no English environment in the village area. People are speak all the time, speak Hindi and Bhojpuri and even a loose talking. Then how can we learn English speaking? लिविंग सच एरिया। ये बहुत बड़ा मैटर हो जाता है कि हम ऐसे एरिया में रह रहे हैं जहाँ पे लोग हिंदी तक सही से नहीं बोलते हैं, लूज टॉकिंग करते हैं, देन हाउ कैन वी लर्न इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग? So friends, make yourself and make a English environment, friends, with your family and with your friends. Talk to them in English, friends, and you can make poster in your house, friends. Write different um, things name in English and different quotation. You can write in your room, friends. If you do this, friends, this definitely help to you English speaking for English speaking. Okay, friends, and these all the things, friends, I wanted to share with you all. First mistake is what you know, friends. We think first English grammar. No, we know English grammar all. हम सोचते हैं कि पहले हम इंग्लिश ग्रामर जान लें। दूसरी हमारी मिस्टेक है फ्रेंड्स क्या कि हम प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करते इंग्लिश बोलने की। सो हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी है। एंड थर्ड वन इज द व्हाट विल पीपल से, मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स फियर, लोग क्या कहेंगे, गलती करने का डर, ये हमारा मिस्टेक्स है। और लास्ट वन है फ्रेंड्स लैक ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग इन्वायरमेंट। इफ अगर हम इन चार चीजों पे काम कर लेंगे फ्रेंड्स, तो वी आर एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश एंड नो बडी कैन स्टॉप टू अस फ्रॉम इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। ओके फ्रेंड्स, this all about this video, and I hope you found this video useful to you. If yes, friends, don't forget like, share and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and have a nice day, friends.